Alright guys, back again. I've got Dan B here with a box of 2013 Topps Allen and Ginter live on Blowout TV. Good luck, buddy. Had the hot hand today. Let's keep it going. Crazy pulls early this morning. Alright, we've got our cabinet card.
Dollars? Yep.
Let's see what we got here. Cabinet first. Alright, we've got a Volcano Wonders of the World. Paracutin. Chew Mini. Profar rookie in there. King Louis the Eighth.
I'll show you what the hardware is selling for by itself. Just to give you an idea of how far off that is.
Black border mini of Alex Gordon.
I don't know if you're familiar with that.
Those streaking Kansas City Royals.
What is it's expensive, but it's
There's Duffner.
therapy tracks.
My man. There's Pele.
And,
Mariano Rivera mini.
over it's over a course of up to 3 months, and it kind of just
Anthony Ghosts.
for you. Here's your Harpers. Here's your Harpers. This one sold for $195. This one sold for $192. That one sold for $190. That one sold for $175, $160. So
What is that? The Tomb of the Quincy Hang?
155, 155.
Never heard of it. Leak mini. Still no hits yet. Oh, we got a hit here. And it is autograph of Casey Kelly. Cryptographs.
Well, I think what it refers to as a high number is just the actual short prints that you find in boxes, not this.
Black border of C.J. Wilson.
I'm confused. When I saw that high number set, I figured it was the same thing as the box. It's not totally different set.
Yeah, no, there's no sets.
It's the H disc.
Zuni.
Yeah, there's no sets that's sold. No.
Carlton
And
Fisk
especially probably those
mini.
that people, it's probably the heritage set collectors. They buy one and they just put it along with the rest.
Alright, second relic is Lucas Duda.
Yeah. I mean, there's very few boxes that I would consider to be sealed alcohol, just because it's just Harvard.
And we've got a J.D. Martinez jersey.
It might be more valuable sealed than it is.
Still no bazooka backs. Ryan Sandberg.
So how many
Another Jason Duffner.
did Allen get you 2013?
Yeah, we have them for 85 bucks. We got plenty. I don't
Tulowitzki. Suleiman the Magnificent.
Why is the 2012 Heritage
Mark Trumbo.
No idea. Honestly, I have no idea, but that's what it says.
Sandy Koufax mini.
I mean, I always one of those things just like Alan Ginter, like it should be pretty much the same price every year. Just 'cause it's the same
Bayama.
people, the same
Sumo wrestler.
same set, yada, yada, yada. I have literally no idea what much Heritage is that price.
Ian
point
Kinsler.
I think of is
Last couple packs.
autographs, which kind of is what you're really looking for.
Santana mini. And finished off, Dan.
I mean, it is a needle in a haystack, but it's
Got a mini of Eno Slaughter.
5 bucks.
Alright, buddy, that'll do it. Appreciate it, and I'll get it right out to you.